Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, starting off with Euro USD, and we spent the whole week pulling back. My mouse. Have a look at the oscillators. They have separate. They're starting to turn. I have a feeling we are almost in a zone. I just want to look left here a little bit because that's why. Okay, let's just get this in. So we have that tail there where price is. And you can see we have this little level here. We've got in between. I was going to put that one in as well. So there you go. That's most of the structure to the left that we have. That price is coming to test. So you can see we shot through it and now we're coming back to test. So if we just drop down to the hour, this is where we should be waiting to see some kind of buying opportunity. So it's either right here where we are at 111.246, but look at Friday's price action, so that's a little bit suspect. Probably another little move down, 111.070 and then 110.937, and then even possibly this one as well, 110.541. So that would cover all these gaps. So basically that's the first scenario. The second scenario would be a break above the structure that was formed on Friday, and that means a break and retest of something in this area here. Well, sorry, this one here. So that's going to be break and retest of 111.411 before we start looking at this. No real catalyst today. Earnings only kicks off again tomorrow. Don't think that'll impact us too much. So it's tech stocks, so can't really see tech stocks influencing CPI. But anyway, I'm not that clever, so maybe it would. Anyway, so I'm sitting on the side here until one of those levels, this level breaks the upside, or until we start seeing some serious price action on these levels lower down. Moving across to US dollar, Japanese yen, and big move down, big move up. Look at the oscillators, they are grouping the upside, but we're above the moving averages again, so this is a little bit concerning. And if we do find support at this area, watch out. I think then we are going to be on our way up, and then that's just going to blow the plan for Euro USD. So watch this level here. The trend is up on the hour at the moment, so 149.44. If we do come back and test that to bounce, probably worth taking a long to remove the upside. But again, that means dollar strength. So lots going on in the US at the moment with the US dollar. So just be careful here. Could go against you as well. But trend is up on the hour, so that's the buying zone. 149.44. Wait for the structure, and I do it on the 15 minutes. So wait for inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars on this level, and then entry just above it, stop just below it, and keep your position size small or manageable. Moving on to British pound, Japanese yen, and we do have a fairly big area of potential resistance or support here, 182.107. At the moment, we're just bouncing around on it, and you can see Friday's price action got above it, came back, tested the 155, and now we are trying to blow it again. So I would have this pin bar in play. You can see we've already picked up that one, and then you're probably going to be very wise just to put in one of these other levels lower down, because it might also impact you. So 181.495, then you have 181.842, 181.842, and then you have 182.107. So I'd want to see a break and retest of this one, and basically ignore this level here, but then this is the other level here. This swing low would be your stop area. And lastly, Euro British pound. So we did get going last week, but we've left gaps to the downside. Not entirely convinced that this is all set with all these sellers coming in here last week, but we are above the moving averages. So the minute you drill down to the 1 hour, you see a different picture. We've got a crossover and we're in between the moving averages. So that indicates range. I think this one I'm gonna just leave it, I think. We could get going to the downside, but then I want to see structure form, reject the structure, and then move. So in other words, drop down to the 155, come back, reject this area where we are right now, and this is at 086841. That would indicate an opportunity for shorts. Alternatively, I'm looking for a move up, so it basically means getting up above this little swing high here, come back and test it, and that would be the opportunity for the move to the upside. So that's kind of the short and sweet of it. So it's kind of there, because this is a double top as well, and it's still in play, and it's probably going to play out, to be honest, based on what I've learned over the years. So 086521, more than likely an opportunity to the downside here, but it is just shaky. So I'm not, this little break above the structure here on Friday was not conducive to actually holding on to this trade. So that would be my, let's just do this, that would be my target there, 086077. But I'd want to see a decent move here. So what I mean by that is get down to the 15-minute, and you can see how they're flirting with this position here. There's one just below it. So that's what they're doing. I'd want to see a move down, a pullback, a rejection, and then you can hold it for this target here. Okay, anyway, that's kind of it for me today. I hope it helps. If it does, don't forget to like, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.